A question. This question, if answered by you, will help so many people out there. It's actually a very simple question. If you're a game dev, your answer will determine a few things to note: your success potential and your focus in game dev. Okay, I will say it in 3, 2, 1. Does a game need a story? Or is a game made from a story? Let me know your answer in the comment below. Think and pick your answer before I give my answer. Okay, if you have picked an answer, here is mine. Yes, not only is a game made from a story, but a story is very important in deciding the success of your game. Wait. Many will disagree with this, but this is really true. Normally, we do have two types of story mode: story-driven and gameplay-driven, and for me, use both. In cases where I have to think of the environment, I proceed to making an actual 3D environment in Unity. So it becomes easier for me to head back to my story and put my details down. But for a gameplay to be used, you had a story in mind already, a very rough view of your game. That is the story. So yes, even your game has a story. If you like this talk and really want to help yourself, hit that jackpot. Then stick around. My next video will be on how to present a story and why your game isn't successful or won't be successful.